Place the capsule hopper on the stage of the capsule loading mechanism with mounting holes aligned. Use hex nuts to fasten the capsule's hopper. Click the jog on the control panel twice for a test run. Lift the powder motor to the table next to the powder hopper, with mounting holes aligned. Use hex nuts to fasten the powder motor. Place the powder motor housing outside the powder motor with mounting holes aligned. Use round head cross screws to fasten the housing. Insert the plug of the powder motor into the socket on the back side of the machine. Tighten the screws to fasten the plug. Put the barrier on the left back side of the machine, with mounting holes aligned. Use hex nuts to fasten the barrier. Unscrew the hex nut on the opening of the vacuum pump. Pour in some oil into the vacuum pump and tighten the hex nut. Screw the air outlet of the air gas holder to the vacuum pump and tighten it. Put the air pipe on the air outlet of the gas holder and fasten it with a clamp. Connect the main power to the first aviation connector on the left. Connect the air compressor to aviation connector in the middle. Connect the vacuum pump to the third aviation connector. Connect the air pipe of the vacuum pump to the air outlet of the machine. Insert the air pipe of the air compressor into the air pipe connector. Press the jog for a few seconds to make the capsule loading board move down and down. Pour empty capsules into the capsule hopper. Close the capsule hopper. Loosen the screw of the feeding valve. Lift the valve. Tighten the screw of the feeding valve. Pour the powder into the powder hopper. Position the capsule tray on the positioning table under the capsule loading mechanism. Press the jog on the control panel until the capsule loading plate is filled with capsules. Press in the capsule discharging button. Click the reset of the inserting and the reset of filling. Click the vacuum on and the inserting on. After all the capsules are inserted into the capsule tray, rotate the capsule tray for a circle and pick it up. Separate the upper plate of the capsule tray from the lower plate. Put the lower plate of the capsule tray on the powder table. Press the powder filling switch. After the powder is filled, cover the lower plate of the capsule tray with the upper plate. Place the capsule tray on the capsule locking ejector pin plate. Press the locking switch. Loosen the set screw of the capsule loading switch with an Allen key. Press jog until the capsule loading plate moves to the lowest point. Move the capsule loading switch to make it a little lower than the right bearing of the capsule's loading board. Fasten the capsule loading switch.